Okay, so today we are working again on this washer Samsung. Basically the drum is very loose inside, and so the spider broke. So we already got the dryer from on top, and we are taking it all the way apart, and we'll get this whole piece outside of the space of the washer, and then we'll change the spider. Okay, so we got the whole tub outside. Now we're just taking it apart and see the condition inside there and see how it all look like. I'll show you the broken spider. Okay, so we took the whole thing apart, and you can clearly see the bearing, the spider. I mean, it's one arm is fully broken, and so we're just going to install a new one. Do a little bit of cleaning here and we'll put it all back. Okay, so the new spider is installed, and we are just gonna do a little bit more cleaning here, and as soon as the cleaning is done, let's get it a little bit more clean here, and then we'll put it all back together. Okay, so we're progressing. It's almost all the way back in place. Very soon we'll put it all together and we'll run a test. The machine is running, it's running the first test. Okay, so the machine is running and it's on a high speed right now. Everything looks nice. Just last few parts is to put it all back together, back in the closet, and we'll be all done here. Yeah, that looks like very nice and simple. Okay, all installed. We've already tested it. All working just fine. No leaks, even though we found another issue that we'll have to repair of the leak, but the spider part and the drum is working just fine. So job is successful.